your girl Mimi of Mimi's Mocha Treats, and today I'm showing you how I created the main cake for the Evans wedding reception. Now, though their theme was Winter Zombie, the bride still wanted something that was considered classic and beautiful. So let's get right to it. For their flavors, they chose two of our most requested cake combinations, which are strawberry lemonade and chocolate heaven. And let me tell you guys something, you cannot go wrong when you choose any of these two options for your cakes. Here I am filling and stacking the bottom tier and then using my acrylic discs and scraper from CakeSafe to ganache the tier. I promise to leave links to all products in the description box below. Now, this cake had a total of 3 real tiers and 1 fake tier for added height and drama. Once the tiers were filled and ganached, I placed them in their fridge to set up prior to applying fondant. For this cake, I opted to cover each tier using the paneling method. So what that basically means is I have to cover each of the top of the tiers first, cut off the excess fondant, and then cover the sides using a long strip of fondant. Embossing mat a few years ago and luckily remembered I had it for this cake. It saved me a whole lot of time when it came to adding the sugar dragées in an even pattern. Listen, if you can find tools that'll help you save time, invest in them. They're totally worth it. So I came across Christina Molds on Facebook, and let me tell you, her molds are simply amazing. The details are impeccable. And if you're looking for high quality molds, please take a second to go on her Etsy page, which I will provide a link to in the description box, and check out all of the molds that she has. You will not be disappointed. Attaching the fondant icicles to the tier using water. I later used the same mold to create Isomold icicles, which were applied to the bottom of the 7-inch round. I didn't show it here in the video, but I later added sugar crystals to the bottom of the tier to give some texture and to make it feel like there was crystallized snow cascading down the tier. To assemble the cake, I used 1/4-inch pipes that were covered completely with plumber's tape to avoid direct contact with the cake. This is 100% food safe. Though I couldn't assemble the completed cake at the studio, I did stack the cakes to make sure all tiers were level and that the structural system I created was sound. The completed cake. I added Christmas lights behind the icicles to eliminate the bottom of the 7-inch round and royal icing on top of the 9-inch round to look like snow. If you enjoyed watching this video and wish to see more, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. We look forward to sharing more videos with you. Thanks for looking.